got some ants. It's pretty bad. Infestation. Brown spots. All the grass. All the hairy vetch destroyed. Damage. Corn, got some aphids going on right there. 3 liters of soft water. Add it to the water. If you get it on your hands, it smells like eggs, so try to be careful with that. So I'm just gonna do 3 of these, so 10, add it to the water. 20 and 30. So 10, 20, 30. Stir. Add it to your sprayer. Turn it on and spray. And they have a, you can lock it if you want to. After the pesticide was applied, the leaves look a lot healthier. There's a noticeable difference. Only 1 week of use, and yeah, that was before, that's after. This was before. These new ones are lighter color. There's like no sign of pests. It's amazing. Big difference. There's the new leaves, and then there was the old leaves. This looks healthy.